Worldcoin, I want to thank the ministers for, coming up with quick answers, because this time is of the essence, because we must avoid condemning any investor without completing our investigations. Mr. Speaker, on the question of public participation, the CS has said that it is not the responsibility of the government agent to be able to carry out public participation, that it was actually a responsibility of the investor. And Mr. Speaker, I want to say that is outrightly wrong, because the Article 10 of the Constitution, which deals with matters public, indicates that one of the values and principles is public participation. So it is the responsibility of the government to have carried out public participation, to understand what this institution was coming to do, so that they can be able to protect Kenyans in case there is anything that is out of the ordinary. But Mr. Speaker, my two questions, quick ones, is that sometime last year, I think there was a rejection in an application for licensing. And now later on this year, sometime in May, there was a license. What changed, between last year and now, so that they could allow the change? And then noting that technology changes, and technology is very volatile and very fluid. Is it possible that this data has already left the boundaries of this country, and that we are addressing matters that are already, overtaken by time? Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Omboko. Milemba.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, and thank you, the Honorable Ministers. On the dates of this happening, and let me thank the Minister for Interior for having stopped. But then it looked like a Pearl Harbor to you, because you didn't seem to have known that we would wake up and would have all those queues, not only at KICs, but everywhere. So how safe are Kenyans if you'll have those stopgap measures of such a happening of such a high magnitude, only for you to come in and stop? But above all, the two of you as ministers, why you've been called here as a duo, is that you seem to disagree on what exactly should be done on the matter concerning Worldcoin. Tell us, why did that come up? Thank you.